Hi YouTube, welcome to today's episode where we're going to be reviewing how I manage and close my Bitcoin position, how I took and why I took a loss on Tesla, the nice setup that NIO is giving us, and why I'm still not doing anything else with IPO. Welcome to my channel where you learn how to grow your assets by trading, investing in real estate, and managing your debt. Remember, this is all for educational purposes. I am not giving you any trading or financial advice. My goal is for you to learn how these different topics work so that you can make your own decisions. Let's jump into the analysis for today. So here I have Tesla. If you guys go and look the video I posted yesterday, you can see that I enter a position right here. My stop loss was below this moving average right here, and then when you see this candle here, it went below the moving average with this wick. My position was closed. I said yesterday that when I'm looking at the position, I'm looking to movement that goes up, goes down, I get confirmation to enter a trade, and then my stop loss is going to be below these moving averages. I put my stop loss here, and unfortunately I had to take a loss on this trade. I'm still quite bullish on Tesla, especially after yesterday news where they bought 1.5 billion of Bitcoin, which we're going to see just after this one. These guys were probably already doing a 30% profit on that one. So again, took a loss on Tesla. I'm going to wait again for this pattern to appear before I re-enter a trade on this one. Let's move to Bitcoin, which a recap of the trade that I had. So I entered my trade right around here on Friday. I was managing the trade. Yesterday I moved my stop loss to this moving average. I put it here, then it kept going up. I kept moving my stop here. I kept moving my stop here, and finally I got out here around the 46,000 area. I still think that this can keep going up, but with the explosive moves that happen in this kind of assets, where you have 22% in just one day and a half, it is also very likely that we have huge pullbacks, which is what is happening here. So you see in this one they have already lost 7% of the position, but for me the profit that I made is I entered here and I was able to ride the trade all the way to here, netting me a profit of 20% in half of the position. And the first part that I exited here, I took 14 to 15% in this position. Something to learn here, and for me is very important because it took me a lot of time to get used to this one, is that you are never going to be able to buy at the bottom of the trade and then get exactly at the top of the trade. This is rarely going to happen, and this is not what I'm targeting ever. What I'm targeting is to be able to take most of what I can in the middle, and let's call the part that I am not taking insurance, right? When I enter, I'm waiting for confirmation that that is the direction the price is going to move. And when I exit, I'm still giving room for the trade to continue, but if it goes down the level that I require, then I exit the trade. I am not going to get out at the top, I am not going to enter at the bottom, but I'm taking a huge chunk of the position here. Now, moving to NIO. So NIO, we have been waiting for quite a while for this trade to work. We were having a consolidation pattern right here. Let me draw this one. So we were drawing this consolidation pattern that was happening here. We were seeing even that it started with high lows. Finally, price moved up. It went down to test it. I missed this entry point because it was too early for me. I was not yet looking at my trading, and now it seems that the opportunity has passed, but it seems that even a better one is coming. So you look at this one, same thing is happening. You had price that went up the moving average, which is what we were expecting for the entire previous week. when it is going down to test it, and as soon as we get confirmation and we get a candle here, then we're going to enter the trade. So NIO, possibly today we're going to get confirmation. Let's see what happens. IPOE, nothing has happened yet. I continue to have the same lines. Let me show you guys the analysis that we had made on this one. So here, this is the movement that we're still waiting to be completed. So we had retracement to 50%, and then we're still waiting for price to arrive to the $32 area. We were looking at points to enter this trade again, and this is where we were looking at the 1 hour chart. So here, and then in this one we draw again our targets. So I'm going to get this Fibonacci again from the top to the bottom, and we are having, first, price has not given us an entry point for several days now. You can see it's below the moving averages. It is not giving us sign of a break above this one. However, we do have this line here, both a Fibonacci, and then you can see that price is starting to get support here, and we're also getting this moving average that is now coming into play. So I do expect huge support here. Hopefully what we're going to see is again price move up, comes down, then we enter the trade. Still looking on this one, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen in the next few days, but we're going to keep an eye on IPOE also. So guys, that's it for today. Quick episode. Then again, if you want me to make the technical analysis for any of the stocks that you're trading, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all the notifications when I'm posting new videos. And thank you for joining. Bye.